motherfuckers. so much for this organization of this competition. It was really amazing. It was my first time to take first place in European competition. I am so happy, I'm glad, it's amazing emotions. Thank you so much and see you next year for sure.
Guys, I just want to say thank you very much for taking me over to Croatia and to be part of this competition. It's been a great competition, a great final. I'm pretty sure that all the guys are being really happy, and I want to thank ODK and Coca-Cola for sponsoring the event. So hopefully I'll see you next year, guys. Take it easy and see you soon.
Hello guys, it was a great day, it was a great party. Everybody show all their skills and share those passion with all of the guests and the fans. It was a great day, we love you and I hope you love us too. Thank you very much.